Let me speak frankly, for there is no room for deceit in matters of wealth. I am here to shatter the misconception that money is evil. Money, a creation of mankind, has become a driving force in your lives. It consumes your thoughts, your actions, your dreams. Let me reveal the divine truth to you today. Money holds no inherent value. It is simply a tool created by man to facilitate exchange. Yet, you have made it the center of your world. Money, more often than not, blinds you from the true essence of life. You chase after it relentlessly, forgetting to nurture your souls, and neglecting the relationships that truly matter. In the pursuit of wealth, you have lost sight of what's important. Let me remind you that wealth, in and of itself, holds no value within the kingdom of heaven. Money should not consume your thoughts, nor define your worth. Money is a neutral force that can be used for good or evil. Money is a resource, a means to an end. Just like any tool, it is the intentions and actions of the individuals that determine its impact on the world. Money, in its essence, is not evil. You chase after wealth, believing it will bring you happiness and fulfillment. But wealth alone cannot satisfy the deepest longings of your soul. Money is an instrument that can facilitate positive change and bring about great opportunities. Many have associated wealth with greed and corruption, but it is not money itself that is the root of evil. It is the love of money over everything else that can corrupt your heart. The insatiable desire for riches without compassion for others. Accumulating wealth without purpose is like chasing after the wind. It will never satisfy you. Many have squandered their lives accumulating mountains of material possessions, only to find themselves empty and discontented. Money may fill your pockets, but it will never fill the void in your soul. I've witnessed the obsession with accumulating wealth, the insatiable greed that blinds you from truly enjoying life. I see those who struggle to make ends meet, who fight each day to survive. True prosperity lies in your ability to share your blessings with others who are less fortunate. It's about lifting each other up, not tearing each other down in a race for material gain. Understand that your wealth does not define your righteousness or your spiritual abundance. You must understand that money has the power to transform lives, heal wounds, and bring about positive change. When used with a pure heart and noble intentions, wealth can be a force of great compassion and generosity. Money allows us to make a difference in the lives of those in need. It funds humanitarian efforts, supports education, and fuels medical breakthroughs. It gives us the power to transform the world for the better. Yes, money can bring comfort and security, but it can also bring freedom. The freedom to pursue your passions, to create, to innovate. It opens doors to possibilities previously unimaginable. But let me make one thing clear: money alone does not define success or happiness. Excessive wealth can bring temporary pleasure, but it cannot bring true fulfillment. True wealth goes beyond material possessions. It encompasses love, relationships, and personal growth. Do not spend your days chasing wealth for its own sake, only to find your soul empty and unfulfilled. Seek balance, my child. Money, if managed wisely, can be a force for good. Embrace a mindset of abundance, not scarcity. Let go of fear and trust in me. Know that I will guide you towards financial stability and security. Money should never be your master, but rather your servant. Use it to fulfill your purpose, support your loved ones, and uplift humanity. Let it flow through you, fueling your noble intentions. Wealth can bring comfort and security, but it can also consume your soul. Don't misunderstand, I encourage you to save, invest, and plan for the future. But don't let the pursuit of financial gain blind you to the needs of the less fortunate. Money is simply a means to enhance the human experience. In the realm of money, humanity often strays from their true purpose and becomes consumed by its power. Let not money be a burden that shackles your spirit, but rather a vessel to express love and generosity. For even the smallest act of kindness, the tiniest offering, holds within it the power to transform lives. Remember, my child, you are but a caretaker of worldly possessions. Use your wealth wisely. Live within your means. Let go of the misconception that money is evil. Embrace the divine truth that it is your choice, your intentions, and your actions that determine its impact. Money is a tool granted to you to fulfill your purpose. I teach you that money should be used for good, for the betterment of yourself and others. It is through money that you can provide for your family and loved ones, support charities, and create a better future. Money can empower us to pursue our dreams, attain education, and unlock our true potential. It is a vehicle for progress and a means to impact the lives of those around us positively. When used responsibly, money can be a powerful tool for compassion. It allows us to lend a helping hand to those in need, uplift communities, and make a significant difference in the world. Remember, money, in its purest form, is not evil. It is a divine blessing that, when used wisely, can bring about tremendous blessings and joy. Money is not evil. Yes, money can be misused, leading to greed, corruption, and harm. But that doesn't mean money in itself is evil. Money has no power over your character. Let your actions reflect your values, not your net worth. Wealth is not measured by the size of your bank account, but by the impact you have on the world around you. Whether you're rich or poor, your value goes far beyond your bank account. Wealth may seem appealing, but it can cloud your true purpose. Money is a useful tool, but it's not the ultimate goal. Don't be enslaved by the pursuit of wealth. Just because you have wealth, doesn't mean you're successful in my eyes. My message is clear: use your wealth to help those in need. Make a difference. Be a blessing to others. Money is temporary. It can be here one day and gone the next. Invest in something eternal, your relationship with me and the well-being of others. No amount of money can buy happiness or buy your way into my grace. Spend wisely, save diligently, and remember that true happiness is found in a balanced approach to money. Value experiences and relationships over material possessions. They hold far greater meaning. Above all, be grateful for what you have and practice contentment. It's the key to a peaceful mind. Wealth is not a destination, it is a state of being. It is found in the alignment of your heart, mind, and actions. I see the obsession, the greed, the never-ending pursuit of wealth. I see how it tears families apart. How it distracts from what truly matters. Money should never divide. Stop chasing money as if it holds the answers to all your problems. In the end, money is just a fleeting thing. It can't buy you happiness, peace, life, or salvation. So, it's time to stop worshiping money, and start worshiping the one who created us all. Money cannot buy true happiness or genuine connections. Your worth lies within your heart. Real abundance comes from within. Pray for guidance, seek my wisdom, and find contentment in your heart. Then you shall inherit true wealth. Whether you are overwhelmed by debt, comfortable with your means, or even financially prosperous. It's time to reevaluate your priorities and question the true purpose of wealth in your life. Seek to build treasures in heaven, where no moth or rust can destroy. Do not be deceived. You arrived in this world with nothing, and you shall leave with nothing. The wealth you accumulate on earth holds no significance when you stand before me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening messages. I love you.